Hey guys, well, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm actually going to unbox another one of these legendary collection Kiabas. And I had some pretty good luck with these. I actually pulled last video a ash blossom, and those are pretty rare. So hope I get the same good luck today. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like what you see. I'm going to do a quick box opening now. Alright. Let's get this stuff off it. Alright. Let's get it on. Got your 3 promo packs and 5 promo cards. Cause of Sweet Revenge, King of D, Destruction Dragon, Dragon Revival Rhapsody, and the Loop of Destruction. Cool. Alright, let's see what we get. First pack. Opened these last time like this. Hopefully it's good luck. Got Card of Condolences, ABC Dragon Buster. I got a Courtship of Cherries, not bad, pretty cute. Master of Eyes of Blue, Droll and Lockbird, Ring of Distraction. Got Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit, pretty good card. Put that over there. Heavy Mech Armored Support. Beautiful art. Dragon Ravine and Burst Stream of Destruction. Not bad. And today I'm going to sleeve up the really good cards with some white Ulti Pro sleeves. Where are you, baby? Sleeve you up. I'll try to be as quick as I can. Alright. That was good luck. Let me see it open it one more time with like that. So you guys kind of undone, but I got Stone of Legend, Master of Eyes of Blue, Tyrant Wing, Mausoleum of White, Dragony Phalanx, Fusion Sage, Shrink, Double Summon, that's a really good card, Law of Half Obedience, and the White Stone of the Ancients. Not bad. Alright, let's open this last pack. Come on. We got Dragonic Tactics, Anti-Regeki, Mayor Forest Dragon, Vampire Lord, Spell Reproduction, beautiful, X-Ray Z Dragon Cannon, Ring of Defense, W Wing Catapult, Melody of Awakened Dragons, and finally, Stone Ages again. Well, I didn't pull another Ash, but still got this amazing looking playmat. It's surprisingly smooth. Awesome. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace.